So if you're a shy person, an introvert, or just someone who don't love being around a bunch of strangers, especially when you're wearing little to no clothing and you don't want to feel uncomfortable or out of place, you might be interested in a DIY photo shoot like this. So come on girl, follow me, because sometimes you just gotta do it yourself. So for my birthday shoot, I'm literally doing everything myself. I did my own hair, my own makeup, my own nails, my own toes, picked out my outfit, booked the studio, and I'm even taking my own photos. Can you believe that? Like, why would you book a studio and take your own photos? Hear me out. You got to watch the video. You gotta see it through. And you can also see that I'm over here making my own flower bouquet too. Like, what? At this point, I might actually be the ultimate DIY girly. So if you know anything about me, you know pink is my favorite color. I know, so cliche, but it is. I don't know, I can't help it. So originally I was planning to do a pink flower bouquet, but the dress I chose for the shoot is a black maxi dress. It's a little sheer, not too much, but definitely giving sexy and elegant. Once I put everything together in my head, I realized that red and black is such a powerful color combo you really can't go wrong with. Now, where I messed up was with the wrapping paper. It came free with the flowers, and I was like, okay, let's see if I can make this work. But it had this gold trim around the edges, and something about it just wasn't giving what I wanted it to give. You'll actually see later in the video that I ended up ditching it and completely just using a mesh wrap with the pearl trim instead. Honestly, I loved how it turned out. It matches the overall vibe so much better, especially because all of the jewelry I wore for the shoot was silver. But let me not give away too much because you have to watch to see how everything came together. And this is my second studio photo shoot ever. The last one I did was like 6 years ago, and back then I had a photographer. This time around, I decided to challenge myself and do everything on my own, and honestly, I was excited to see if I could pull it off.
I think I'm taking you guys to my photo shoot. I have a photo shoot today, and the makeup, you guys saw earlier that I was making a bouquet with some fake flowers. So we're doing a photo shoot, and the appointment is at 5 in DC at Ctrl and Snap, and it's kind of a squeezing appointment, and I'm have to take a Uber or a Lyft. Today's Sunday, so I'm gonna have to go out real quickly. Hopefully this curl comes out how I want it to, because the first curl wasn't given. Yes, so this is way better. Y'all, I'm not even gonna be talking to y'all. I have to get my hair ready, so. I don't know what type of jewelry. I'm gonna take some jewelry with me too, because I need earrings, rings, like accessorize, baby.
If you live in the DMV area, you've probably heard about Ctrl and Snap, which has been popularized by TikTok, but it's basically a self-taken photo studio. It already had the camera in the studio, so you just go in and press the button and take your own photos, child.
I'm currently here, but someone is using that one right now, so we're at the location where, dang, my makeup is so tea, and I pinned my ear up because I didn't want the curls to drop too much. But once I get in the room, I'm gonna like brush it out and make it be voluminous. But for now, y'all never see me like this. Face be to the gods. Like, y'all cannot tell me a professional makeup artist didn't do my face. Hair done by me, makeup done by me, lashes done by me, nails done by me. Baby, you a DIY queen. Like, they not. They're not effing with me. I'm about to chill out right now. I came early just because I wanted time to make sure that my lip was on, and I did my nails in the car, in the lift when I was coming over here. So this is what they're giving, and I have like 8 minutes because my appointment is at 5. So yeah, I'm just gonna be chilling out here and nothing too crazy.
So just sit back and watch me work a magic. Okay? I had 3 different outfits. You guys will see in a video. I'm not even gonna be doing too much. We're gonna play some music. Y'all gonna watch me do my thing, and y'all gonna hype me up in the comment section. Let me know which outfit was your favorite. I think I'm gonna have to hide the butt, baby, because like I was given very much skimpy, dimpy, impy, and that's also why I wanted to take my own photos, because I was wearing bodysuits, the the dress, the dress is mesh, and baby, the ass was icing, and I didn't want, no, baby, no, it's for my eyes only, and my mans, and I don't even have a mans. So, baby, okay, all right, bye. Actually, one more thing before I go. The remote in my hand is what I'm using to take the photo, but I kind of hid it and so it doesn't show. I must say I really loved this concept. Didn't feel uncomfortable once. Didn't feel like I had to rush. They even had an awkward pose. It's just me, child, so it's nothing to worry about. They had the reception in the front. She kind of helped me with my dress. If you need assistance, she'll definitely help you. And I was just working the camera. And the good thing is I had 45 minutes to get all my looks in, and I timed myself 15 minutes each, and I still had enough time to change and get my shots, get my look. And I was looking in the mirror. How it's set up is there's a star on the mirror where the camera lens is pointing. Can't actually see the camera because it's probably a double-sided mirror. You can't see the camera, but the camera can see you. There's a spot on the mirror where you look so you could have like eye contact with the camera, but I might insert a clip. But child, I was working the camera, and this was my last outfit change, and I had like around 10 to 15 minutes here, and I was like, okay girl, let's take it to the finish line, because at this point I was on a roll, and I was activated my inner Naomi Campbell, Tyra Banks, Whitney Arlo. I was working.
My timer is off, so that means my timer's gone. So, photo shoot is completed. I think I got a lot of cute photos, so we'll see. But what's crazy is y'all saw me put this flower bouquet together earlier this morning. Y'all, look at the what happened. Luckily I got my photos before, but like, what is this? A hot mess. But let me change, and I'll check in with you guys later on.